All right, this video is going over number 4 from the third review assignment for the final. We can certainly use a calculator here to try to find real answers, but we can also try to factor. Okay, and so with 4 terms, you kind of group them and look for GCFs out of each pair. So out of the front two, you can pull out an x squared. Okay, and out of the back two, you can pull out -9. Okay, and we are in luck. It won't always work out this way, but on this one it does, where these two things match. So we can continue to factor with taking whatever's in front, x squared minus 9, and whatever matches x plus 5. Okay, and then we could factor this further actually to x plus 3, x minus 3, but realistically we can just set it equal to 0 and solve. So that this answer is -5. Okay, and then this one, add 9, take the square root of both sides. So don't forget it's both plus and minus 3 there when you do a square root. So that gets us the 3 answers to that question. Thanks for watching.